Let's find sine of two theta. From sum and difference identities, we are going to change alpha and beta into theta. Sine of two theta is really useful and is easy to derive, so I recommend you to memorize it. Same thing goes on with cosine. We change alpha and beta into theta. Right hand side of cosine of 2 theta can be rewritten using only sine or cosine. For tangent of 2 theta, we use the definition sine of 2 theta over cosine of 2 theta. We put in the values that we have found, and after that, we divide each numerator and denominator with cosine theta squared. Let's derive other trigonometric identities. First up is product identities. From the formula that we have derived, let's add these two sine values. We do the same thing, except that we are going to subtract this time. Same thing goes for cosine. From the formula, let's add these two cosine values. Finally, we subtract from these two cosine values. And here we have the product identities. Please derive these formulas and do not try to memorize these formulas. Next up is sum identities. We use the same formula except that we are going to define alpha plus beta equals A, alpha minus beta equals B. Think of it as left side of the alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta, changing into A and B. Do not change all alpha and beta into A and B. We are going to change the right hand side of alpha and beta into A and B after all the calculations are finished. If you might ask why, the right hand side cancels out and only half of them remain. Thus, we have derived the sum identities. Do not memorize, especially product and sum identities, because they look really similar. Instead, let's try to derive all of it. We know that all of these formulas and identities can be derived from addition and subtraction identities. So let's derive it, not memorize it. I have prepared 10 example problems. Try to solve all of these by yourself.